Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by collecting proof and identifiers so the recovery team can trust your claim. Note your player ID and the device ID. These are the fastest ways for support to locate the account. Once done, locate any receipts or transaction ID from in-app purchases and screenshots showing your username or rank to strengthen the request. Make sure the email or phone you expect messages on is accessible because support will send verification steps there. You now draft a precise message to support and attach your evidence. Clarity speeds results. Describe exactly how the account became disconnected, include player ID, device model, OS version, and the most recent login date so they can cross-reference logs. Once your attachments, receipts, screenshots, and transaction ID are included, explain any account merges or previous link attempts. Be polite and concise, because support agents handle many requests and clear reports reduce back and forth. You complete recovery by following support's verification steps exactly and entering any codes they send. Quick responses keep your ticket active. After they confirm ownership and restore access, immediately link the account to Facebook, Google, or Apple to prevent recurrence. If recovery is denied, ask for escalation and supply any extra proof requested. A key troubleshooting tip: if emails land in spam, check filters and resend a succinct reply with missing evidence so the agent can reevaluate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.